DJT stock, is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. DJT has gone up 3.7% or so, and Trump Media stock, I mean overall the same stock. I'm looking forward to taking this thing even higher, and I'm going to show you when and how. Just for context, I'm sticking to a strategy that has previously delivered thousands of quick predictions and have documented everything, and exactly how this would look like is simple. Unless I see a double break, there's going to be no reason that I'm going to be buying this whatsoever, right? Why would I force something where it doesn't even need forcing, right? And what I'm actually waiting for, again, I've collected 31,000 videos. That's how much videos I've done. And after a lot of data collection, the only time that this will make sense for me, man, is if I start to see a first break above 29.75, and then second break. It really depends on the second range of where it's actually going to be made. But other than that, all I'm going to do is just keep this in mind. If you want to learn how to trade stocks full time, 40 to 70 days, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars.